Ever wondered what powers your smartphones, your electric cars, or even the satellites orbiting our planet? Here's a hint. It's not magic, it's rare earths. Now don't let the name fool you, they're not exactly rare. In fact, they are a group of 17 elements, often found in abundance in the Earth's crust. These elements, with tongue-twisting names like yttrium, scandium, and 15 types of lanthanides, are the unsung heroes of the modern world. They're sprinkled in everything, from the screen you're watching this on, to the batteries that power electric vehicles, and even the satellites far above us. So yes, these rare earths are everywhere, quietly powering our world and making modern life as we know it possible. So we now know that rare earths are not as rare as their name suggests, and they are quite crucial for our daily technology. But why are they important? Why should we care about rare earths? Well, they are more significant than you might think. Imagine a world without your favorite tech gadgets. No smartphones, no electric cars, no wind turbines. Sounds bleak, doesn't it? This could be a reality without rare earth elements. These elements, despite their name, are not that rare. What is rare, however, is finding them in concentrations large enough to mine economically. And they are incredibly important to our modern world. Let's take a trip through some industries to see why. First stop, the electronics industry. Ever wondered what makes your smartphone so smart? It's the rare earths. Tiny amounts of these elements are used in almost every component, from the screen to the speakers, and even the vibration motor. They make our devices smaller, lighter, and more efficient. Next, we venture into renewable energy. Wind turbines and electric cars, the champions of a greener future, owe their existence to rare earths. They are used in the production of powerful magnets that are essential for the functioning of electric motors and generators. Without them, our move towards sustainable energy sources would be a lot harder. Finally, we touch upon the defense sector. Rare earths are crucial in creating high-tech military equipment. From precision-guided weapons to night vision goggles, these elements contribute to the strength and effectiveness of our defense systems. But it's not just about the industries they power. Rare earths also play a vital role in scientific research. They're used in various medical and laboratory equipment, contributing to advances in healthcare and scientific understanding. So, the next time you send a text, charge your electric car, or even when you see a wind turbine, remember the invisible heroes, the rare earths. They are the unsung champions, silently powering our modern world and making our lives more efficient and convenient. Without rare earths, many of the technologies we rely on today wouldn't be as efficient or even possible. So how do we get these elements? Extracting rare earths isn't as simple as digging a hole and pulling them out. It's a meticulous, labor-intensive process that starts with mining. Rare earths are typically found in mineral ores, and to separate these elements, the ores are ground into a fine powder. This powder is then subjected to a sequence of chemical reactions designed to gradually isolate the rare earths. This process, however, is not without its challenges. The chemical reactions involved often produce toxic byproducts, raising serious environmental concerns. For instance, the excessive use of water and the release of harmful waste into the environment are issues that cannot be overlooked. There's also the problem of radioactivity. Some rare earth elements are radioactive, and handling them requires careful safety measures. Not to mention, the mining process itself can lead to soil erosion, habitat destruction, and groundwater contamination. The extraction process of rare earths is complex and often comes with environmental concerns. But their importance in our daily life is undeniable. So, we've learned quite a bit about rare earths today, haven't we? We've journeyed through the fascinating world of these elements, understanding what they truly are, a group of 17 chemically similar elements, often found together in geological deposits. They're not as rare as the name suggests, but their extraction can be complex and environmentally challenging. We've also explored why these elements are so critical. They're the unsung heroes in many of our everyday devices, from smartphones to electric vehicles, wind turbines to MRI machines. They play a pivotal role in the tech industry, renewable energy, healthcare, and defense, making our modern world tick. And we've delved into how these elements are extracted, a process that requires significant technology, resources, and careful environmental management. So the next time you use your smartphone or drive your electric car, remember the crucial role that these not-so-rare earths play in powering our modern world. Rare earths, as we've learned, are not just crucial for our daily gadgets, but they also have significant global supply issues. Let's delve a little deeper into this. Rare earths are used in a wide range of applications. Your smartphone, for instance, wouldn't function without these elements. The screen, battery, and other components all rely on them. Your electric car. The motor uses rare earth magnets to deliver efficient performance. Wind turbines also use these magnets to generate energy, while defense technologies like missile guidance systems and night vision goggles rely on them too. But here's the catch. While these elements are scattered all over the Earth, extracting them is a challenge, and currently China dominates the global supply. In fact, they control over 90% of the production and supply, creating potential geopolitical issues. Imagine the impact on the world if this single source faces any disruption. However, efforts are being made to diversify the supply chain. Countries like the US, Australia, and Canada are exploring their own rare earth reserves. Recycling of rare earth elements from electronic waste is another promising avenue, and research is ongoing to find alternatives to these elements, or to reduce their usage in various applications. The practical applications of rare earths are vast, and the global supply issues are complex. But the importance of these elements in our modern world is undeniable. So the next time you swipe your phone screen or turn on your electric car, remember the invisible world of rare earths that makes it all possible.